Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Speed and Cadence Bike sensors. First, let's get them installed. The Speed sensor attaches to your wheel hub, typically with a rubber band, ensuring it's centered. For the Cadence sensor, secure it to your non-drive side crank arm. Make sure both are firmly in place and the battery, usually a CR2032, is correctly inserted. This ensures a stable connection and accurate data from the start. Once installed, it's time to pair your sensors with your Garmin device. Wake up the sensors by spinning the wheel or crank arm a few times. On your Garmin head unit or compatible app, navigate to the sensor menu and select Add Sensor. Your device should quickly detect the speed and cadence sensors. Confirm the connection, and you'll see them listed as active. This step is crucial for your device to receive data. For accurate speed and distance, calibrating your speed sensor is key. You can manually enter your wheel circumference in millimeters into your Garmin device, or allow it to auto-calibrate during your first few rides. Once calibrated, you're ready to ride. Your device will now display real-time speed, distance, and cadence data. Pay attention to these metrics to optimize your training and track your progress effectively on every ride. To ensure your sensors provide reliable data for many rides, a little maintenance goes a long way. Regularly check the CR2032 batteries and replace them when indicated, typically every 12 to 18 months depending on usage. Keep the sensors clean from dirt and debris, especially after wet rides. Also, periodically check that they remain securely mounted and properly aligned for consistent performance. This simple care extends their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.